I'm a business owner, you're a business owner, and this is why we should all be making YouTube videos. Hello everyone, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Geline. I'm a serial entrepreneur who sells on eBay and Amazon, and I also own a social media marketing, branding, and video production company that's based here in Tampa, Florida. So if you're interested to check out what I've been doing, I will put links in the description box below. Also, I am making videos about multiple income streams, working from home. I also make videos about personal development, social media, and fun things like that. So if you're interested in those types of content, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate it. We are always telling our clients to make videos, and we would always encourage them to make video marketing as a part of course, their marketing tools for their business. And one way, an easy way to do that is actually to make YouTube videos, because YouTube is already a free platform. I'm just gonna go ahead and share to you a couple of reasons why I think you as a business or a small business should be on YouTube and making videos. YouTube is a free marketing tool. You can upload videos on YouTube for free. All you need to do is to have a Gmail account, which by the way you can also get for free, and then you go to YouTube and then you create your channel. YouTube, by the way, is not just a social media, but it is also a search engine, world's second largest search engine. So first, of course, we all know Google. Maybe some of you don't know what search engine means. So search engine means you physically go to that website and then you try to search things. So like, for example, if you want to find out something like, I don't know, like places or coffee shops near me or something like that. So we would go to Google and then we Google it, right, to find out answers. That's why with Think Propel, we are advocates to our clients of making YouTube videos, because we recognize that this is something that they can do, well, kind of for free. They probably might have to hire someone if they don't know how to make the videos themselves, but once they already upload it, it's gonna be there for free forever. At least that's what we know for now. You can earn passive income when you are making YouTube videos. You can make money from the ads placed on your YouTube video. But to be honest, it's not that passive. You still need to make the videos, right? And then you still have to be actively making videos. But once you already uploaded a video and once your channel is monetized, then you can just sit there, relax, and then wait for your money to come in. Let's just say that you have a brick and mortar store. Let's say you have a coffee shop, because I love coffee shops and I love coffee. So let's just make that as an example. Maybe you're thinking, oh, why would I even care about that? I mean, it's not something that you should do, but it would be nice to do, and it would be nice to have a passive income. Like, you can make whatever videos that you have. For example, you're just making a promotional ad for your coffee shop, and then you upload it on YouTube, and just really like for the sole purpose of having that video. And then, you know, like the efficiency and the ease of having that YouTube video, and then you can just place it everywhere. You can place it on your website, you can place it on social media and stuff like that. Eventually, through time, you can also make money passively on your videos. So it would be like a nice additional income also for your business, right? Make your FAQs videos. I understand that as a business, you always get questions from people, and most of the time, these questions are recurring questions. It's the same questions over and over and over again. So sometimes it can be a little bit taxing. You can make your FAQs and then make a video about it and then upload it on YouTube. And the beauty of this is because YouTube is so easy when it comes to integration to websites, to other social media platforms. You can basically just copy paste the link and embed it to your website, and then if somebody asks you a question, you can send the link to your customer. Last but not least is, once you're making YouTube videos, you will build trust with your customers. This works well as a personal brand, so meaning if you are a personal brand, you are the face of your business, or it will also work well with just a brand itself. For example, if you have a coffee shop, it will work well with that too. Let's say you film behind the scenes of your business, and then you will be showing, you know, of course, your employees there, or maybe you can even show your face in there, you know, talk about what's happening, or you can talk about your business. Once we see a person, okay, like on the video, it automatically builds up the trust, because right then and there, I can tell you if I want to go, if I like you, or if I want to work with you or not. I can tell right away if I want to support you or not. People buy from people or brands that they like or that they know, like, and then eventually they will trust. And let me tell you, I actually was able to get clients for my freelancing business when I was still a freelancer back in the Philippines by just making YouTube videos, because they landed on my videos, they watched a couple of my videos, and then they know that I know my thing. And then of course they also can see like my quirks, like how I speak in the camera, like what's my personality, and that definitely help them in making the decision that they want to work with me. So do you have a business and are you actually on YouTube making videos? Please comment below. I appreciate you for being here and I appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.